Hey y'all, what's up? It's Fishing with Fitz here. Recently I broke my rod. It snapped in half. I was catching a fish and it just ended up snapping when I was reeling in, so that really sucks. Today I'm going to Simmons Sporting in Bastrop, Louisiana, and we're gonna get a new rod. So let's get right to it. So here's the rod that I think I'm gonna go with. It's a 6'9", medium heavy, fast. I'm gonna use it as my flipping stick for frogs and topwater. This place is huge. It has so many soft plastics and baits. It has a ton of options. They don't have a ton of rods, but that's okay. And then they just have a ton of soft plastics. So here's the Young soft plastics. This is my favorite. I'm gonna buy them out because all the other places in my other town don't have any. So I'm just gonna take these. They're little woolly bugs. You guys have probably seen me use them before. They're my favorite for summertime bass fishing. Alright, so I got my new rod here, the Vertitis. I'm going to be matching it with the Rio X Abu Garcia reel, and it's got 25-pound test line on it, braid, and it has a really heavy backbone, I figured out, so hopefully setting the hook will be super easy. So let's go rip some lips. You're not going to snag it with a single hook. Big one, big one. Dude, giant, giant. Oh my gosh, dude. It's huge, it's huge. Woo! This giant, probably about 3-pounder, I'm about to get the weight on it with my new rod. The Vertitis, it really put up a good fight. I was just reeling it in. I was reeling it into Cassigan. He just came up and slammed it. So this is awesome. I'll tell you guys what the weight is. See you later, big girl. There she goes. Alright y'all, so change of scenery, I'm back at my house. I'm editing the video right now. It's pretty late at night, but I just needed to do an outro because I didn't do one earlier today. But that's going to wrap it up on that big one. My new rod put up amazingly with that big fish. 3-pounder, awesome. And if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe. And I guess this is going to wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next one.